Yeah, wait. This not no way.
Ando patrullando y en una mancha me miran. La chimichanga tengo mi gavilla. Soy escorpión 9 patas.
What's going on, guys? Captain Milton. You guys know me from my other channel, Extreme Trophy Fishing. Just got home. It was a long day. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna edit this video. This is our intro. So I'm gonna clean up, work on editing, and bring this video to you in a couple of days. So today is Sunday. Hopefully I can have this video to you guys in like 2 days. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for all the support. If you can think of a good name for this channel, let me know. If you have any suggestions of content you want from this channel, let me know and we'll bring it to you. So thanks a lot, guys. I will holler at you guys later. Long day. I'm tired. Peace out. Let's go. We're late, man. We're gonna have some breakfast though. I want that white one.
Dang. Get the other one.
Other way?
Oh, hold on.
That one, right? got them, bro.
¿El qué?
Tú graba.
Tan sexy, güey. Aquí we're walking up. My board no más está.
Check it out, guys. How you feeling, bro?
No, man.
That's your biggest hog ever?
Hell yeah, man.
Mira más. Qué chulada.
Casi nada.
Casi nada. Y quería uno de 50.
We
Yeah.
came for a 50, ended up with the what did you say?
250.
250?
Pretty badass, bro.
Yeah, man. Big as fuck.
Pone un pie allí, güey.
Hombre, casi
Mira.
nada.
That dude is a size 12. Look at that. What's going on, guys? What is up? Vamos a hacer más video, güey. We just finished hunting, guys. A pretty successful hunt. We shot 3 pigs. So now we're gonna have a quick meal before we head all the way back home. We're about to eat. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures here in a minute. But we shot some monsters, guys. Now we're gonna eat good. Seuss is over there. We finna eat good, y'all.
Déjala rompo, güey. La tierra.
No va a caer, güey.
Causando de aquí para allá.